Hello, and today we're playing some Cooking Simulator. This is a festive themed edition thing, I guess. Oh wow, yeah, very festive. And why is there so many people on the left side of my screen? I am really scared. Oh. Huh. I don't know any of these people. Why are they in my house? This isn't even my house, is it? I probably just... Why? Okay. I have to make a mushroom? Onion? Oh, I have to cook. This is a cooking game, isn't it? Add to a pot water, salt, fazuli. I need 100 milliliters of water. Wait, 100 or 1,000? I'm gonna go for 1,000. That seems... No, oh, stop. I didn't know I had to click to stop. Fazuli. How much? No, I'm guessing it's all the whole box. 400 grams, does that sound about right? Yeah. 400 grams, perfect amount. Are we gonna burn the water? And then we gotta add to a pan some butter and fazuli. Oh, I'm guessing the fazuli we made. Okay, that makes sense. Where is the butter? 10 milliliter, 10 milliliter, 10 milliliter butter. Butter, 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 butter. Clarified butter? Oh. Butter? Clarified butter? Specifically clarified butter? Just butter? Clarified butter? 10 milliliter. Wait. No, my fazuli. Strainer. Pop it right. Can I just... Yeah. And pasta. Oh god. Get out. Just... Yeah. Cool. No, no. No, stop it. Go. No. Can I just just... Yeah. Sure. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Just pick up the burnt pasta. Oh, I can't. It's burning. Well, you know, that makes some sense. Yes, this will work. That's not pasta. No, stop. Pick up. Yeah. No, that's not how you... So yes, you pick it up, then you don't put the tongs in usually, you just kind of... Do I have to oh, tongs release? Get up. Really? Get, oh my god. Oh my god. 10, 10, 10, butter, 10? 10? Pan fry for 15 seconds. Transfer into a casserole? What do you mean into a casserole? What's a casserole? What's a casserole? What do you mean? How do I transfer into a casserole? You want me to make a whole casserole and put it... What is a casserole made of? Uh, um, what do you put in a casserole? What's actually put in a casserole? I transfer into a casserole. Are you a casserole? No, you're a pan. I'm burning up time right here. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna skip that stuff because I have no idea what that means. Beef stroganoff. Oh, there's so many things I have to do. Why did I choose this one? Okay, you sit right here. Yeah, it's fine. Soup? Okay, sure. Beef chunk. Beef chunk? I have beef chunk? Where's the beef chunk? Where's the beef? Can I, Oh my god. This doesn't seem safe. My man is a superhuman. Beef, 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 beef. Okay, what do I put this in? Add to a pan? Wait, only the beef chunk. What do I do with the onions? What? Wait, it's not even a beef chunk. It's a beef chuck. What? Who's Chuck? And why are they made of beef? Daryl, why did you want something with mushrooms? Now I have to do all this work just to make your mushroom beef stroganoff. Daryl. Work the 9 to 5 with it. Actually, I don't know. Why is he a cardboard cutout? Button, mushrooms, and tomato. Hey, a button mushroom. Who put this here? You don't need this mushroom anymore, I guess. And then tomato is 120. Tomato. Tomato? Ketchup? Tomato? Oh. It's fine, I just... Okay. I'm doing this all for Daryl. He's such a whippersnapper. Okay. Beautiful. Cut everything. Now what? Add to a pan olive oil and beef chuck. How do I turn this on, though? What? Is it down here? No, what? How do I turn this? Some control switch, control area that I don't know about. What? On. On? Turn on. Hey, turn the stove on. Okay, no, I'll use this, it's fine. A little extra pasta, but it's fine. So I have to add 20 butter. Oh, I drank all of it. I mean, butter is made of milk, right? And then cows produce milk, right? And cows like red wine. I mean, everyone knows that. Of course they do. 20. Uh, uh, um, 20. Beautiful. No, that's not the way I wanted you to go, but it's fine. Okay, Moscadin. Moscadin. Add to a pan more butter? Okay, well, there should be enough. The pepper powder? White pepper? What's a white pepper? Do we have white peppers? I mean, guess we do. Parsley, parsnip. White pepper. That's a yellow pepper. That's a green one. That's a red one. And that's a mushroom. White pepper. Oh, wait. Is it like pepper? Like pepper. Like seasoning pepper, but like white seasoning pepper. Oh, I guess it is called black pepper. Is there white pepper? What the? This isn't real. We also need sweet bell pepper powder. Sweet bell pepper powder. Sweet bell pepper powder. Sweet bell pepper powder. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, beautiful. Now, go in. Yeah, now that looks beautiful. Butter. Beautiful. See, now it's frying. Yeah. Oh, that sounds cool. Oh, God. That's kind of loud. Chicken broth, black pepper, onion, tomato, beef. Chicken broth, black pepper, bay leaf. Chicken broth, black pepper, bay leaf. Chicken broth, black pepper, bay leaf. Okay, I believe this is all the ingredients. I didn't check. What was it again? Chicken broth, black pepper, bit. Chicken broth. Oh, so I got the black pepper and the bay leaf. I didn't realize it was chicken broth. I thought it was
Helles Märzenbier.
I thought that made way more sense. Well, I'm too lazy to get it now, so, whatever this is, go. How much? 282, right? 280, yeah, that's basically. How dare you. Transfer into the casserole. What casserole? Wait, transfer only those four? I'm not straining, I'm just serving it. And parsley. Do we add the... Garnish with parsley? Parsley? Garnish? Garnish parsley? Bay leaf. Broken shard? That's probably not it. Now look at this. Wow. Couldn't have made it better myself. Actually, I did make it. Okay, well, this looks good. I mean, I wouldn't eat it. Okay, yeah. Oh, wow. Look at that. Can you make anything more beautiful? Like, wow. Wow. That just looks beautiful. No. Parsley. Yeah, you can have a bite. Yeah, of course. You. Oh, no, 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 I don't think you want anything else to eat. I hope you don't. What would you like? Would you like, my man? I didn't forget your name, don't worry. How do you make tomato soup? That's so much stuff. I'm gonna make it how it should be made. I gotta finish all these orders. Oh no, I already spent like 30 minutes in real life making that one person's order. Okay, no, I'm free balling the rest. Daryl, you don't deserve it, but I guess you do. Tomato soup, tomato soup. Little seasoning, little pepper. All spice, all the spices. Wow, that seems way easier. Just start cooking it. Oh, pardon me, ma'am. You know, I'll do all the orders. Okay. What would you, yes, you, ma'am. What would you like? Pork chops with the, or easy. Yep, What would you like, sir? You want the, that looks like a lot of work. Yes, ma'am. Oh, you're so silly. I'm just gonna give you an onion, probably. I hope you enjoy. Santa, what would you like, Santa? You would like the pink. Okay, you. Okay, well, that's picky. Okay, I got everyone's dish. Okay, alright, it's gonna be easy, guys. It's gonna be easy. It's gonna be out real quick, real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna get a trout. I'm gonna bake it, and I'm gonna give it to you, and that's all you're gonna get. Basil, yes, go. I can't see. Yeah, go on the trout. Yeah, you love basil. Trout. Don't have a drought. Have some olive oil. Yeah, this thing, I love this. This is my favorite. It's getting on. Loose products, no, this is needed. Pardon me. Okay, cook. You wanted the scallop, bacon, corn, something. Okay, cool. Scallop, mushroom, bacon, onion, corn, bread, scallop. And then we need like liquid, right? Okay, go on the ground. Liquid. Balsamic vinegar. That has a very unstrong taste, I believe. That's not gonna make a soup. We need more. How about a dash of lime juice? I guess. Sure. What am I pouring in? I didn't check. Okay, sure, good. Sunflower. We're pouring in sunflowers. Fish looks about done. Oh yeah, the soup. I will serve it to you. Wait, I didn't put any liquid in this either. Wait, tomato. I need to blend it. Right, because that's tomato soup. It's blended, I think. Tomato. And I see you. Tomato. Okay, well, that's... Oh, none of them went. Okay, trout. Just get out. Cook. Blend. On. Yeah, no, that's tomato. That that's tomato soup if I've ever seen it. Bowl. Cat. Casserole. Oh, tomato soup. Yeah, tomato soup. Look at that. That just looks just like the picture. Wow. Trout. Right, you wanted the trout. Um, plate. Big plate. Yeah, because it's a big trout. Okay, Marin, no, it's fine. A bowl. No, that makes no sense. Okay, well, okay, no, it's fine. This. Okay, no, it's fine. Why do I have a tiny... no. Who doesn't want to have a nice bowl of fish? Who wanted that? The guy? Where's the guy? You're the guy. Yeah. There's your dish. I thought it was dead. Whoops. That's all you get. Nice, good old fashioned something in food soup. Yeah, now that just looks good. That's just tasty. Yeah, look at that. That big chunk of meat. Is that meat? No, that's a piece of bread, isn't it? Huh. What else? Mushroom, onion. Okay, wait. I can get rid of the things we done. We did that. We did that. No, get out. No, stop it. No, I don't want to be in here. No, please don't. No. No, please, no. No. Okay. What? How do I get rid of... I can't scroll on this TV. Okay, well, the TVs are broken. You, TV, is this one not broken? This one's not broken. No, it is. I opened pork chops. Ma'am? Huh? You. Take the onion. They don't call it a pork chop if you don't chop the pork. Chop the pork. Cook. Who wanted it? You did, right? Yeah, you did. Of course. Boom, pork chop. You love it. Why is it pink? It's red plus white makes pink. Strawberries are red. Eggs are white. It's a strawberry and egg soup. Okay, this should make something pink. On. That looks, that doesn't, maybe. Ketchup! It comes from ketchup. This makes so much sense. Ketchup. Yes! No. It's pink enough. It's pink enough. Oh, pardon me. There you go. Look at all that pink in there. Wow. Garlic? Garlic? Are you garlic? That's an onion. Oh, right, this thing. Is it done cooking? Looks about done. Why are so many of you in business suits? Half of you are in business suits and half of you are in sweaters. That's kind of weird. Wait, that's not a sweater. I'm blind. Garlic? Garlic. Garlic. Wow. Look at this. Good Christmas meal. They're not accepting my food as a gift. Maybe they're not enjoying the food because it's not, you know, comfortable enough. So I'm gonna light some candles. Light? Is fire spread turned on? Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, no. Is the candle lit? How? Oh. That's how you light it. Huh. Just had to check, and it seems they are impenetrable to flames. Just gotta make sure it's cooled off. You know, make sure it's all nice and cool, so you can eat it. Well, thank you guys for enjoying the meal that I have prepared for you today. Daryl.